Hello, myself Lakshman. Today's date is 28 December 2021. The today's Java point is static keyword. In Java, static keyword is used for the memory management. In Java, the static keyword are used for three, three or four places. The number one is static keyword. Number two is static method. Number three, static is also used as a block. Static is also used as a nested class. So now to declare instance variable, and in front of the instance variable we write a static keyword, then it is called as a static variable. The static variable declare inside a class but outside a method. Now the declaration of static keyword is, firstly we return a static keyword, then return type, then uh, identifier is equal to the value. That means static int a is equal to 10. The 10 value is a static because we return a static keyword in front. Now static method, to declare the static method as like static, then return type, then method name with round brace, and then body of a static keyword. It means static void method and then curly brace and then body of a static. Now how to static keyword is used for the memory management in Java. As we know that the static keyword static variable or static method is stored in a class level area, that is method area. Within a class we declare one static variable, then this static variable is initialized or declared in a class level area memory, and this declare in a class level memory each and every method present in that class is access this static variable. Each and every method present in that class we access this static variable. Suppose in our class the 10 methods are there and one static keyword is declared, that is a, suppose a variable. This a variable is access the 10 method present in a class. That's why it is called as, it is used for the memory management. As we know that the JVM, that means Java Virtual Machine, run the program from the main method, but before the JVM calling the main method, firstly we execute the static block. It means before executing the main method, JVM execute the static block. And we suppose I want to print something before executing the main method, then we declare in our program as a static method. This static method is execute before the main method because main method is a static. That's why firstly we execute the static block before the main method. In we declare a static method in our program, and static method or static keyword, it is belongs to the class. That's why it is stored in a class level area. And we create a static method, it is not required to call the method in a main method, because main method is also static and we declare a static method. That's why we is not required to create an object to calling the method. It is directly call without creating an object, with calling a, and what is called as calling the method name. For example, in a class we declare one static method, that is static void student, and in this student method we have some data, and this method I want to call this method from the main method. Without existing object we directly call this method student parenthesis, because main method is static and we also declare a student as a static. That's why it is directly called in a main method, because the main is also static and we declare as a static. This is all about the static keyword in Java. The main motto of the static keyword introduced in Java for only if and only if is to memory management only. Thank you.